Will, pose for photos muna for our media. Kaway, kaway, kaway. Ang pogi, oh. And we also have Bianca De Vera. Wow! Pretty and blue si Bianca. Okay, Bianca, pose for photos for the members of the media. At pati yung fans nandito rin. Ayan. Grabe. Ngayon ko lang nakitang siksik, liglig, umaapaw ang Dolphy Theater. Napakaraming tao. Of course, we have sexy AZ in orange. Siyempre, kung nandiyan si AZ Martinez, nandiyan din si Ralph Banayon. Photos mo. Ito na, sabi ko nga, syempre, diba, hindi natin alam kung horror ba to, drama, pero I'm sure this is fun because we have Esnir Wala. Pose muna for photos. Oh, atake. Atake and with green yan. Hi, Esnir. Ganda. Next we have Cyril Manapa. Hi, Josh! Mamaya gigiling yan. Oh, parang gusto nang gumiling ni Josh ngayon. Siyempre, kung nandyan si Josh, nandyan din si Kira Ballinger! Ang ganda ni Kira. And that shining, shimmering dress. Very sexy si Kira. And of course, our Kapuso and Kapamilya big winners! Let us all welcome Brent Manalo and Rika Salamanca! Nick Brent Makinay! Nick Brent Magingay! I can hear you!
Dito! Thank you.
Of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our bosses. We have Ms. Concy R. Agnes, Senior Assistant Vice President for GMA Program Management. Okay. Tatawagin muna natin ulit ang cast for the photo op. Everyone, please, lakad ulit tayo sa red carpet. Bukod sa ating photo wall. All the cast, please. Ayan, grabe, oh. Hindi na ang pagkakataong nito na makita natin in one place. Cast and secret sa photo 88. Okay. And we also want to acknowledge the presence of Ms. Concy R. Agnes, Senior Assistant Vice President for GMA Program Management. We also have Ms. Destiny Guzman. Ms. Destiny Head of Star Railways and Mr. Jeremy Lopez, Head of ABS Digital and Outdoor. Please join the cast. Mga madam and sir, please join the cast for our photo op. Ayan, sila po ang mga nasa likod ng inaabangan natin collaboration project ng GMA Network, ABS-CBN Studios, na The Secrets of Hotel Italy. Hindi magiging posible ang proyekto nito kung hindi